That's for me and Miss and Randy and Mike. To Mom and Dad.
Oh, thank you so much.
Did he draw
That
that?
is so beautiful. Oh my God.
He did?
Oh my God.
Yeah, that is awesome.
That's our boy. Oh, thank you, Randy. Oh my God. Oh, that is fantastic.
Man, it looks
oh
just
my
like
God,
him.
It looks just like him. What
told you
picture
you did good, babe.
take it from?
I sent pictures and then he kind of used the background from my family pictures.
God. Yes. Oh my God. It's so him, Randy. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh, I think that's the best thing I ever got. Oh my God. Oh, thank you so much.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, he's beautiful, isn't he? Look at him. He's so alive. You can see the gleam in his eyes. Oh.
That's totally awesome.
Oh, thank
Do you love it, Dad?
Wow, that is awesome.
Look at it, honey. Oh my God.
It was a good one.
Oh,
We
man.
made her cry.